Hi guys, it's Tony doing an unboxing video. How are you today? Today we're going to be reviewing the Tesco Pro Fryer. This is the 3 litre capacity version with 1500 watt, 1 kilogram food capacity. So let's get on with that. This is indeed made from in China, but we knew that anyway. It costs £20. I had one of these similar one in from Asda. It lasted years. In fact, it didn't go wrong with me. I just chucked it out. Essentially that's what it looks like, guys. But what we're going to do now is we're going to try it out, get the heat on it. This takes 3 litres. I use crisp and dry only because it is the best. So to get this, you're going to need to probably put at least 2 of these in. The important thing is that you cover the element, and also there's a level on there and it tells you when it's low and when it's too high. By the way, this is what's on there if you want to look at it. Alright. I'd say an average of an oil like this would last you about a good month, and that's like using it every day. So I'm just going to drain that up. Okay, we're going to try this out now. This, by the way, is the reset key. It just goes in the back. I'll show you where it is. You'll just see this element here. Just goes in there in case it overloads. It's just for safety. So we're now going to try this on. Switch is on now. What I've had to do, guys, is get an extension because some of these leads on these appliances are always too short. So now the appliance is switched on, you can just see that button there. You've got various different temperatures. So we're going to go for 130, which is the average that you use for chips. Today we're going to be using Harvest Basket, which is the Dell's. We can use either oven or fry. Right. Might as well see how much I can get in. So I think that's pretty much. There's also a handy hint, keep some of these bottles because if you ever go to get rid of the oil, you just put the old oil back into these. I just use a siphon and I get rid of it that way. Alright. One of the things that you'll notice in the bottom of it, you'll see that the temperature guide for each one. So I've adjusted mine to 180 degrees for the chips. So just turn that knob round. It's always good to have that guide. The other thing as well, before placing the chips in the basket, clean the basket, dry thoroughly. The same with the tank. Ensure that's clean before first use and dry it off properly. Okay guys, I've been waiting for the green light to come on, but I think it's about ready, to be honest. There we go. Don't worry about that. When that first comes on, that's just normal. Now, if you've ever had a fry before, there's always a good idea to put it right above the extractor, which is on there. Alright, so let's just... When you first put new oil in, it doesn't have to take ages to get to full temperature. Then after that, as the oil gets older, it gets quicker. It heats up faster. So the oil in the tank, it just takes. I noticed that with older oil. So it took about 15 minutes to get to the temperature on fresh oil, which isn't too bad. It takes 20 minutes to cook in the oven from things, so I would say it's about the same, maybe slightly quicker. And these are done. That took almost, that was in there for about, literally 2 minutes. I thought that's never going to cook anyway. That's 2 minutes. So what we do now is we just turn that dial so it's off. You see the red, and then you switch it off at the mains. We're going to try out what these taste like. Give the basket a good shake. Pop the chips out. So I'm literally going to just try one straight from the pan. That's nicely cooked. Totally cooked. Beautiful. So there you go, guys. I had to look at the Tesco stainless steel fryer. Definitely recommend that, guys. Chips are doing absolutely spotless, beautiful chips. You can see they're all well cooked, beautifully brown. And when you're finished with the device, all you got to do is you just pop that in like that. And you'll see on the groove, there's 2 grooves on there. You literally just pop that on there. And then you just put it away, wait for it to cool down. Don't move it when it's hot, just wait for it to cool down and just pop it away. And it'll make you nice, cheap, tasty meals, guys. Thanks for watching and have a nice evening. Bye for now.